Hello and welcome to theprofitroom.com. Please hit the subscribe and like button. You're watching a live trade of us trading NASDAQ futures. This morning in the Profit Trading Room, we were trading and making some nice profit scalping. Now you'll notice in this trade, we're doing a short in this trade. We see a nice channel at the top and we're anticipating for the price to come back down. But you'll notice when you're trading, a trader mind has to be able to adjust to the market because the market is always changing. Remember that. This is a trader's market. You have to adjust to the market. As you notice, we're in one contract. Now we add two contracts. We're anticipating a nice breakdown. But as we decide and look at what's going on, we notice that there's a shift in momentum happening. And we end up cutting this trade real fast for a minimized loss. Remember, if it doesn't work out, get out of the trade. Get out the trade. Now we decide to go long. Now the reason why we decide to go long, because we're taking a lot of factors in consideration. We anticipate a breakout. Earlier, we were trading a nice controlled channel, right? Now that channel from our analysis is no longer valid. It looks like a good breakout. So we get in this trade and we go long. So we start adding to this position with confidence. Remember, when you get in a trade, you want to be able to build up, especially in this choppy market. You don't want to get in right away with a full share size because sometimes you can hurt yourself. Just like the short, how we added more contracts with confidence when we thought it was going to break, we do this the same way with this long. As you see, we started off with two contracts, now we're in four contracts, right? This is our confirmation. We're in this nice full size. We anticipate a nice movement higher. So even though you see this one chart, we trade based off of multiple charts. We put a lot of factors in consideration. This right here is called professional trading. We don't allow one mindset just to think. Many traders say, I'm short biased, and they think all the time, I'm going to go short, I'm going to go short. Or I'm long biased in the trade, and I'm going to go long. And they allow themselves to financially hurt themselves by staying in trades longer than they need to. That's not the case. This is what we teach our students here at the Profit Room. We teach them how to react. We teach them how to believe what they see, not what they think. Now, as you see, we are holding this nice support level. If you watch our previous videos, we talk about support, we talk about resistance. We've seen this move so many times. A nice anticipated breakout higher. As you notice, it's trying to push. It's trying to push. The buyers are starting to come in. Very, very nice trade setup. We go over this in our futures trading course and many of our other courses we have at theprofitroom.com. As you notice already, we're in this trade only about almost a minute and a half, if that, and it's starting to push. These are amazing profits. So as a newbie trader, if you made $1,000 in 1 minute, take the profits. Take the profits, log off, and enjoy life. But since we've been trading for a longer time, we have an anticipated target where we see the price going to. This is starting to work out very, very nicely. See, very, very nicely. We're going to start exiting some positions now. We're in four contracts in this trade, and we are seeing some nice profits come through. Now, when you go higher in the trade, or if you go lower in the trade, it doesn't always shoot right up. Sometimes you have a little lagging. Sometimes you get some little pullbacks, things of that nature. So you see we exit about two contracts. We have two left. Pretty soon we'll only have one. This is the opportunity for us to be able to relax. Hey, we made up our previous loss. Now we're able to sit back and have some amazing profits. Like I mentioned earlier, if you saw $1,000 in less than a minute and you're a newbie trader, just take the money. Take the money. Now we have one contract left. This is called a runner. This is called a runner. Nice runner here. We're able to sit back, be able to chill, and be able to see these profits grow. Now, many traders will say, wow, what if I kept on to those 4 contracts? I would have so much more money. That's correct. You would have. But the whole goal about trading is have that consistency. You don't want to be greedy. You don't want to be a pig in the market, because if you know how to trade or invest in any financial markets, you can do it over and over and over again. So there's no reason to have FOMO, a fear of missing out. This one runner right here is going to give us over close to $1,000. $1,000. And what many people have in their mind is always chasing the money. A trader never chases the money. They allow the money to come to them. Now, this beautiful breakout right here is all worth it. All worth the trade, because we wasn't stubborn. We allowed ourselves to flip that position when we were short in the beginning and follow the market. You always want to follow the market. So we have a price target on this of about $1,000 to be taken out this trade. Amazing trade in the morning, and all this trade was under 3 minutes. We made some amazing profits. $2,300 in under 3 minutes. If you want to learn how to trade like this, come over to theprofitroom.com. Education, application, and success. Take care, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button.